Hey guys, welcome back to Kayak Fishing. We are on the trip we look forward to the most all year long. We are in beautiful Ucluelet, Vancouver Island, and it's our first trip out. We are so excited and so stoked to start our fishing trip here. We're here for about 20 days, which is amazing. We're very lucky to have accommodations with family, and the water is pretty flat, guys. It's calm, just a bit of fog, but nothing we can't handle. I'm excited to see what today brings.
I'm ready. So this is going to be easily one of the most painful days for me out on the water. Like an idiot, we went to the beach, not yesterday, but the day before, and I am so sunburnt. Haven't been able to sleep. Just keeping aloe on all the time. It's bad. It hurts. I think so, yeah. It's showing, guys. Didn't take long at all. Ling. He was not hooked good. That was probably right on the edge of being legal. Maybe 25 inches, 26 inches. First fish, guys. 4 minutes.
We're only at 96 feet here, so I'm not gonna go too deep. Another one. I think it's a black rockfish. Huh? I don't know. It likes the sexy spoon. I don't think it's a salmon. Oh, maybe it is. It's pulling decent. It's fighting more. Maybe it's a little coho. It's not taking line though. Whatever it is, it's not like big. Whatever it is, I lost it. Yeah, I don't think it was very big. I think it was just a little, it's getting annoying though to keep putting my gear back down. Whatever it wasn't hooked very good. All right, bring me down, rig her up again. Goodness gracious. Well, this spoon's attracting fish anyway. Pete's sake. Oh. Shouldn't be. I was at 51 feet. In 70 feet of water. I don't know what I've got, but yeah, it just didn't pop the clip, I don't think. So it's nothing spectacular. Shit, I better bring my downrigger up. It's only 67 feet here. Another. Whoa, that's a good size. Oh, he's not hooked very good. Huh? He's not a bad size. Yeah? Oh, he's... We've already been out here for like 3 hours.
Oh. Oh. Trying to get my net from falling in the water. I just about flippered. Well, now I'm down like 20 something bucks in gear. I thought I was going over. I thought.
Really? Oh, fish on. Oh, might be. It's taking line. Or it's just a good size black rockfish. Oh, that's a ling. Oh, you. I lost him, and he was a good size. Shit. Well, they're here. That's probably like a 30-incher at least.
Fish on! There's a massive school of black rockfish here, babe. They're so thick in here. Nice little black rockfish, guys, but there's so many here. I want one. Oh, that's a bit bigger one. There's number 2, guys. Like so many here, babe. Oh! Something grabbed that. There's a fish. Fish on, guys. Oh! That's a good something, whatever it is. That feels heavy. Oh! Oh yeah, that's a thing. Or a cabbie. Or a cab is on. He's spinning the boat. Oh, that's a big ling, babe. Oh! You just pulled out all that line like nothing. Get off of there. That's a good ling. Like good. No, he keeps taking off. Oh! No! Oh shit. Got him in the boat. Oh, and he spiked me. Yeah. First ling of our 2024 Yuki season, ladies and gentlemen. Bonk him and bleed him. Ah, look at that, babe.
Wow, nice. I think I have a fish. I think so. Oh yeah. Nice. Vermilion. Woo! Finally. A fish. Sorry, bud.
Alrighty, guys, that's a wrap on day one of our West Coast fishing trip in Ucluelet, British Columbia. A little bit of a slow start to the day. It was tough fishing out there today, especially in the swells and the current and stuff. We could really only troll one direction to get the speed that we were looking for. But managed a Lingcod. I managed to screw up gaffing a Lingcod again, go figure. Crystal got a nice vermilion and a nice black rockfish. I think for salmon fishing, it was a bit of trial and error. We're gonna get her dialed in here. It's the first day. Probably some smaller spoons. We only brought some bigger spoons with us out today. Anyways, thank you guys for all the support. Appreciate each and every one of you. Don't forget to go down below, like, share, comment, subscribe, and follow us on Instagram and Facebook at KC Kayak Fishing. Still got 18 more days here. Lots more fishing to come. Until next time, catch you guys later.